Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover language. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover Data Definition Language, or DDL. There are mainly 4 DDL commands: create, alter, truncate, and drop. Create command is used to create database objects. Example: we can create table using create table name, column name, data type. Create user using create user username, identified by password. Create role using create role name. Alter command is used to alter database objects. Example: we can change schema using alter session, set current schema equal to schema name. Add column to table using alter table name, add column name data type. Rename column and table using alter table name, rename column, old column name to new column name. Drop column and table using alter table name, drop column name. Truncate command is used to truncate database objects. Example: we can truncate table using truncate table name. Drop command is used to drop database objects. Example: we can drop table using drop table name. Drop user using drop user username. Drop role using drop role name. In the next program, I am going to cover Data Manipulation Language, or DML. There are mainly 4 DML commands: insert, update, merge, and delete. Insert command is used to insert data. Example: we can insert record in table using insert into table name, values. Update command is used to update data. Example: we can update record in table using update table name, set column equal to value where condition. Merge command is used to merge data. Example: we can merge record from subquery to table using merge into table using subquery on condition when matched, then update when not matched, then insert values. Delete command is used to delete data. Example: we can delete data from table using delete table name where condition. In the next program, I am going to cover Transaction Control Language, or TCL. There are mainly 3 TCL commands: save point, rollback, and commit. Save point command is used to create save point in middle of transactions. Example: we can create save point using save point name. Rollback command is used to rollback transaction. Example: we can roll back to save point using rollback to save point name. Rollback transaction using rollback command. Commit command is used to commit transaction. Also, we can set transaction as read-only or read-write using set transaction command. In the next program, I am going to cover Data Control Language, or DCL. There are mainly 2 DCL commands: grant and revoke. Grant command is used to grant privileges. Example: we can grant DBA privilege to role using grant DBA to role name, and grant role to user using grant role name to username. Revoke command is used to revoke privileges. We can revoke DBA privilege from role using revoke DBA from role name, and revoke role from user using revoke role name from username. In the next program, I am going to cover Data Retrieval Language, or DRL. There is only one command, that is select. We can use select command with asterisk to retrieve all column data from table. Select command with column names to get only specific columns from table. We can use where clause to add condition on non-aggregated column. Having clause, to add condition on aggregated column. Group by clause, is must, if data is aggregated. Order by clause, to apply sort on columns. Default is ascending. We can change order to descending using Tcl command. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.